Okay, so I'm in Zaandam and I decided to go local and rent one of these rickety bikes. So that's what I'm riding. It's pretty flat, so not too bad. And there's lots of other bikers and a beautiful day, a little cold, but nicer than hot. So heading to the Windmills. So I've been in Amsterdam the last few days and finally got to venture out. I was going to go out yesterday, but the weather was terrible. But it's beautiful today, kind of cold, but really nice. I actually rented this bike and took a train to Zaandam and then rode the bike here to the Windmills. And you can see back in the background, there they are. And they're just absolutely beautiful, very big, much bigger than I expected, and actually kind of loud. They make this clunking noise. I'm going to say, if you come to the Netherlands and you're comfortable on a bike, it's definitely the way to get around. They have bike paths everywhere. It seems like they almost prioritize bikes over cars, which is great if you're on a bike. You know, if you're in a car, well, you got a lot of protection around you, but the only thing is they have these crazy people zipping by on scooters. So after a day of riding a bike around Zaandam in the Netherlands, I have to say it was an amazing experience and I learned 3 things. Number 1, it is the best way to get around. There are bike trails everywhere. It's super easy. It's very flat in this area, and so it was easy to do that. And the cost of the bike to rent for the day was about $15, about 12 euros. So great deal. Number 2, nobody wears a helmet, so just be careful. I always wear a helmet at home, but here, old people, young people, babies on the backs of bikes, nobody's wearing a helmet. So just be really careful and fit in with the regular culture when in the Netherlands, do like the Netherlands, I suppose. And then number 3, don't stop and wait for people. It's all about flow. People cut in and out. People are always wanting to keep that momentum as they ride. So as you're riding along, you just have to figure out where you fit in and keep going, because as soon as you stop, they all know you're a foreigner and they all get kind of testy with you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like and the subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Ready, Set, Drone.